So what happens on day 2, you're probably asking yourself, here at the New Jersey Coffee School for the 2-day barista program. Day 1, we learned a lot about coffee. We reflected on a lot of recipes, how the equipment all goes together. Day 2, we try to start pulling it all together. We do spend a little bit more time talking about customer service, different types of client interactions, health code issues, really important stuff for you as a barista to be concerned about. Certainly the owner is going to be concerned about that you're following all the rules that they lay out, and certainly all the rules that the municipality that your cafe exists within are laying out. But most importantly, we have a little bit of fun as well later in the day. When we pull this all together, we simulate a cafe here. And as you can see, this is as close to a real cafe as we can get here at the school. But when we designed the school, we thought about what goes into the perfect cup of coffee. Now, we talked in our class about what goes into the perfect cup of coffee, but we also know that customer experience is what the cup of coffee is all about. Right down to the POS system. We put a POS system here in our school that is really important to make sure that you hit the ground running when you go into a cafe and an owner says, here's our POS system. You type in your order facing the customer, and at the end of the transaction, we all know you're going to be graded by the customer. How well did I do? When you flip the screen around and you ask them to pay, and when right before they hit enter, they put a tip down. And that's where the rubber meets the road, or the coffee gets in the cup. Let's go that route and talk like that. The coffee gets in the cup when they sign on the dotted line and give you a great tip for the great job that you did. So the day 2 is a lot about doing those different interactions. You'll be tested how quickly you can make a coffee, how quickly you can put an order in, all in the midst of real life simulations and real life discussions with clients here. We put you out into the market knowing exactly all the situations you may encounter, put you in a really good position for success to find you. So that covers the 2-day barista program. We know we couldn't possibly answer all the questions you may have about why you want to make this investment, this important investment in your career, and have New Jersey Coffee School help you in any way, shape, or form. Any more questions that you have, we can answer. Call us at 201-367-9586. I will probably pick up the phone. I will be happy to stay on the phone as long as possible so I can answer all the questions you may have and help you along your own coffee journey. And hopefully New Jersey Coffee School can be part of that journey. Thank you.